If you guys are looking to get into the custom keyboard scene but are a little intimidated by the choices out there as well as, well, let's face it, the prices, this might just be the product for you. This is the new Novel Keys Classic TKL kit and it's only 89 bucks. It comes in black, beige, or this limited edition yellow and is made of injection molded ABS, keeping costs way down but actually providing a bunch of features in return. It has configurable RGB lighting, comes with a foam kit so you can tune in your preferred sound profile, and also includes a pretty cool color matched silicone USB cable. You will need to provide your own caps and switches, but that's true of almost all custom keyboards. Link down below if you want to check it out, and stay tuned for the most important part of any keyboard video, the typing test.